Hey everyone, welcome back to our series of theoretical introductory questions for SQL. This is the fifth video in this series. After watching this video, you will be able to answer the question, what are the differences between SQL and MySQL? And this question is one of the most frequently asked questions, so watch this video until the end. Before watching this video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon to get a notification for upcoming videos on SQL. So let's start the video. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which is a standard language used for querying and managing relational databases, where MySQL is an open source relational database management system that uses a SQL for querying and managing the data. The purpose of SQL is to provide the syntax and standards for querying, updating, and managing the data within the databases. The purpose of MySQL is to store, manage, and retrieve the data using the SQL language. SQL is a language that is used across various databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, and Oracle. MySQL is a specific database system that implements SQL to perform its database operations. The performance of SQL queries depends on the specific database system implementing the SQL standards. MySQL is known for efficient read operations and provide various performance tuning capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. SQL is a standardized and maintained by the International Standard Organizations and IEC, that is International Electrotechnical Commission. MySQL was originally developed by MySQL AB, a Swedish company, and is now maintained by Oracle Corporation. As a language, SQL is not subjected for any licensing, where MySQL is open source under the GNU General Public License with the commercial licenses available for the enterprise use. This is all about in this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want this PDF, check out my LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much for watching this video.